The night engine ambush moment. A hidden heartbeat mechanic quietly trembles the air, signaling approaching threats long before they materialize, forcing tense planning for crewed nerves. Your HUD flashes a crimson warning, while distant tapping synchronizes with your shallow breaths, the creak of floorboards, and the soft, nervous shuffle of distant shadows around you. A flickering lamp on the wall pulses twice in a staccato rhythm. The air tastes metallic as the floor's boards groan louder, and the room seems to tilt toward the looming threat. New tip tomorrow, 12:30 p.m. ET.